Welcome back guys to my channel. So kung napanood nyo guys yung previous na unboxing natin, yung sa J1 Low na Atmosphere Gray. So sabi ko dalawa yung unbox natin. Ngayon ko lang ma-unbox kasi naging busy tayo. And yun nga, so ito yung pangalawang i-unbox natin. So ito guys, I'm very excited nung nakuha ko tong pair na to kasi nga hindi ako nanalo dun sa dun sa sneaker site. So I had to get this pair from someone else. Yun, okay. See guys, ito yung gusto kong shoes for this year. So gaya nga ng sabi ko, kapag nakuha ko na tong shoes na to, yun, okay na ako for this entire year. Tuwan natin. Pero yun nga, siguro may idea na kayo guys kung anong sapatos to. Okay, so check muna natin yung box. So again guys, yung mga J1 Low OGs, yan, ganito yung box nila. Normally ganito yung box nila. Yan. So check natin yung size label. So Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG. So size 8.5 yan guys. So official colorway is white, black, varsity, red. So ayun, alam nyo na kung ano yan guys. So ayun, buksan na natin to.
Yeah. Team at 17. Damn.
Anyway, yun, again, quick unboxing lang tayo. Nung nakaraang vlog ko, medyo humaba yung quick unboxing ko. Hindi na siya quick. So, unboxing lang tayo today, guys. And then, tsaka na yung further details sa mga susunod na araw. Okay, so, ayan, buksan na natin to. Sheesh! Bam! 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 Guys, alam niyo na kung anong sapatos to. Yung iba sinasabi na lang this is the parang sneaker of the year for 2023. Ang daming nag-abang nito guys at ang daming baliw na baliw. Ewan ko sa iba, pero yun. So ayun na to guys, J1 Low OG Black Toe. So ayan na nga guys, nakuha na natin yung dream shoes of the year natin. Okay, so ayan guys, so hindi tayo makapag-speech, napaka-speechless natin kasi masaya-masaya tayo guys nung nakuha natin tong pair na to. Ayun. Well guys, marami na nagbebenta sa market nito, pero for this shoes, yun, I had to get this for a resale price. Pero in a good deal guys, good deal, okay? So maayos naman yung naging kausap ko, okay? And ayan, so let's go into the details of the shoes. So again, quick look and unboxing lang tayo guys. So check muna natin yung pair. Ayan. So combination niya is yan, black, red and white. And yun, kung mapapansin nyo guys, yung likod niya sa bandang heel part, iniba ni Nike yung design, yung color dito. So para siyang matte red. Okay, and kung papansin nyo yung shoelace niya na red guys, hindi match dun sa pagka-red nung nasa heel part. Ayan. And then, siyempre yung outsole niya guys, yung red. And same outsole, traction ni Nike. Midsole is just white. So, hindi nila ginawang parang vintage yung midsole niya. Yung parang aging sole, walang ganun ginawa guys. Okay? And, check natin yung yan. So, yun yung mga stars niya guys. Ayan. Ito yung heel. Ayan. And then yung toe box naman niya guys. So check natin yung leather quality. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, tumbled naman yung leather niya, pero kung i-compare niya to guys dun sa Atmosphere Gray, mas maganda yung pagka-tumbled leather nung nung Atmosphere Gray kumpara dito Ayan. Pero nevertheless guys, maganda yung quality ng leather niya. It's just that yung likod is matte. Matte yung niya, pagka-red niya. And then yung wings, ayan. And then sa loob guys, ayan, Nike Air, the usual. Then ayan. So may kasama pala siyang extra lace na black. Ayan guys. Ayan. So for me guys, I prefer the black shoelace versus dito sa red na shoelace. Kasi nga parang ewan ko, since different yung pagka-red niya dito sa likod. Okay, so I think I'll just stick with the black lace. And yung iba guys, pinapalitan naman nila ng mga shoelace na yung sail na color or parang off-white na color. Maganda rin yun guys. Okay. So ayun lang, quick unboxing lang tayo guys. So ayun guys, so before tayo mag-end ng video, so ano ba sa tingin nyo guys? Could this be the sneaker of the year for 2023? And what do you think guys? Ano ba to? For keep or for resale, okay? Pero sa akin guys, for keep to, gagawin kong personal pair ko to since nag-start na ako mangolek ng sapatos, okay? So ayun, for me this is gonna be the sneaker of the year for me, and no doubt yun guys. Okay, so hanggat may time kayo, kung gusto nyo bumili nito guys, bilhin nyo na.
You got it, dude.
Okay? So ayun, bago tayo before we end this video guys, I would like to make a shout out to Sir Chef Sweet or Reed Escolar. So viewers natin yung guys from US, I think, if I'm not mistaken, is from the US. And I think umuwi sila ng Pinas last February, then pumunta sila ng Jordan, Manila to buy some shoes. So yun, so again, thank you Sir Reed Escolar for watching this video and always supporting my channel. More power to you, and thank you sa lahat ng mga nanonood guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.